Alright, amigos, it is currently 39 degrees and the snow is melting. We still got snow, but, well, it's like 7:30 at night right now, but still got snow. Still here. It's just melting. Sorry for the shaky camera. That's me. Alright. 39 degrees. Now I am really confident, unless I burned all the gas. Bet you on the first crank she's gonna start. Watch it be wrong. Okay, well, I underestimated her. Anyways, yeah. Still running a bad battery. Let's see if we can go in there one more time. Oh yeah, you heard that. Thanks guys for watching another fail video, and tune back for more next week, and I'll upload more. Alright, peace.